Hello, let me show you how to check warranty in Samsung Galaxy A71 by using email. Firstly, you have to open a browser and then go to email.info website. When you are here, just enter your email number to the empty bracket, go for captcha protection, and click on check. Now you can see whole specification about your Samsung Galaxy A71. Then if you want to check warranty, you should just check serial number, warranty carrier, click again and check, and wait 10 seconds while your order is processing. There you go. As you can see, you can come up with plenty of very useful information. Here is warranty valid. Here is estimated warranty end date and warranty time. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.